Hello everyone, and today we got our hands on a fan from Nitecore, namely a model called CineWind 20. The whole thing comes in this package, where the turbofan itself is depicted on the front side, and there is also a designation that it can develop an airflow speed of up to 150 kilometers per hour, or 93.2 miles per hour, which is very fast. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find storage case, user manual, lanyard, flat nozzle, round nozzle, USB to USB-C charging cable, and of course the Nitecore CW20 turbofan itself. The CW20's body is constructed from 6061-T6 aircraft-grade aluminum and finished in the same black anodized Nitecore HA3 finish used on Nitecore's flagship flashlights. At 115 by 38 by 67 millimeters and weighing just 315 grams with the battery installed, the fan feels solid yet surprisingly light in the hand. The build quality is good, but there's some play in the power button. On the front of the fan tube is a yellow steel grille that protects the rotor blades. Behind it is a high-speed motor capable of rotating at up to 98,000 revolutions per minute, 42 meters per second. Below is a smoothly rotating fan control ring that serves to regulate the airflow rate, and also below it are LED indicators that serve to provide information about the battery charge. On the backside we have an airflow, and just below is a power on-off button, which can be held down and air will flow, and if you release it, the air supply will immediately stop. Or you can press the button twice and the fan will start without holding your finger on the button, and if you need to turn it off, just press the button once. At the bottom is a USB-C charging port that supports fast charging of 18 watts. And there is also a hole for mounting the device on a tripod, for example when you need to direct the airflow to the girl's hair during photography. Inside the case, there are 4 lithium-ion batteries of the 16650 format, with a capacity of 26.64 watt-hours, providing up to 20 minutes of continuous operation at maximum power, 42 meters per second, or up to 15.5 hours in the lowest mode, 4.2 meters per second. In real conditions, it worked for me for 19 minutes, 45 seconds in maximum mode before the battery charge level dropped below 10%, which corresponds to the declared characteristics of Nitecore. Despite the intense airflow, the CW20 works surprisingly quietly. The noise level is approximately 68 decibels at full load and 55 decibels at half speed, comparable to the noise of a quiet hairdryer. One of the main features is versatility. The flat nozzle creates a wide, even stream of air for portrait photography. Imagine the model's hair fluttering at a distance of 3 to 5 meters, and the conical nozzle allows you to create pinpoint jets of air for cleaning camera sensors, laptop keyboards, and hard-to-reach crevices in tripods and gimbals. To sum it up, the Nitecore CW20 isn't just a leaf blower, it's a mini wind tunnel that fits in your pocket. Whether you're a photographer looking for cinematic mastery, a gear enthusiast looking for a safe dust removal tool, or an outdoor enthusiast looking for a quick start, the CW20 delivers superior performance, durability, and portability. I'm truly impressed with Nitecore's attention to detail. From the anodized aluminum body and fast-acting nozzles, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile micro-air blower that will enhance your gear and your photography, the CW20 deserves a place in your kit. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.